Hello friend, welcome to Dream Story YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed us, then downside the video there is a subscribe button. You can click on that button. After that, you can click on bell icon. The benefit of clicking on bell icon is whenever we'll update any video, you will get a notification. So friend, today I will tell you a pull command. So what is pull command? So suppose a two person is working on a same code or in a same repository. Suppose me and you are working on the same repository. So you have committed a code and pushed that code to a repository. Now I want to get that code, the updated code I want in my local system. So how I will do that one? That we can do it through a pull command. So friend, in a local I will show you the old file. Then in a GitHub I will show you the updated file, and then I will run the pull command and show you the in a local the file got updated. So here in a local we have a two file abc.txt and xy.txt. So I will show you inside the abc.txt file what text we have. So we have text this abc file inside abc.txt file. Now we'll see in a repository what is the data we have. So this is the repository. Inside this here we have this text file. Suppose you did some code changes and you have added a next line as I added a new line. After this, here we'll give commit changes comment, then we'll click on commit change. So you can see here the file got updated in a GitHub. So this is the file. Suppose you push this latest code in repository. Now this latest file I want in my local system. So I will run the pull command. So pull command will be git pull. Then we have to mention the remote name as origin. Then we have to mention the branch, from which branch we want to pull it. So we have a master branch from which we want to pull it. Then after that we will press enter. Now here it will ask for a password. I will enter the password. After entering the password, you can see here it will give me a description. It is fetching from a master branch, origin master. Then the difference he will check, and he said, yeah, one file changes is there and one instruction is there. Now we'll see our file got updated or not. So we'll show the content cat abc.txt. Now you can see here the text got updated, the new line got added here. So this is how we can get the latest code in our local system. So friend, if you have any doubt, you can mention in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed our channel, then please subscribe it.